So here's our website. As you can see, again, you can either go on our website or our mobile app, and pretty much you can place a request there. Once you get on our website, the website should know, or until you enable it or disable it, you can type in whatever address you want to get your device picked up at, and it'll be right here. Right, just for the sake of this example, we're just gonna put a fake address here in Arizona, and just go through with this project. So all you have to go is to Fixxi.repair. Again, type in your address here in this box right here. Now, we do recommend, if you don't know what's wrong with your device, or if you have any questions about if your device needs repair or anything, you can speak to one of our glitch specialists here at Fixxi. They can help you find the latest promotions, latest sales, the nearest repair shop in your area that has a certain part that you're looking for, and they'll help you with it. Just speak to our glitch specialist / customer service specialist. Even if you have an issue with a certain repair shop, just let us know, please. Now, like I was mentioning earlier, you can see our latest promotions for our mobile repairs or pickup and drop off, or drone services, laptop, computers, whatever device that's repairable, we'll be able to help you with it. Again, this is our mobile and iPhone repair service in the US, and how it works, why us, why you guys should choose us, and just like earlier, more about us on what we stand for, and what we're looking for, and what we do. We are looking for drivers, so if you do want to be a part of our project, our plan, our mission, just go ahead and sign up. All we need is first name, last name, email, and mobile number, and then we'll go ahead and contact you, let you know if you're eligible to go ahead and drive with us. If you want to just make a little bit extra money on the side, we are here for you. Just again, like we're just like another Uber, DoorDash, Lyft, whatever on-demand repair service or on-demand ride-sharing service does, we do with technology. Again, you'll see testimonials, good, bad, from the certain repair shops that you're looking at, and we'll let you know. Again, you can download our app on our Google Play Store, Apple Store, whatever platform that you use your device on, you can get the app. Now, let's just go ahead for the sake of example. Let's put iPhone 6. We have an iPhone 6 that needs repair, and let's go ahead and fix it. Let's go ahead and fix it. But like when you type in the device that you need fixed, for iPhone 6, it'll pop up all the repair shops in your area. Pretty much right now, it'll show the top 4. For the sake of the example, just because this is a demo model, it will show you just straight Fixxi right now. It'll show you what broken device screens, short battery life, or even diagnostic costs of the repair shop. With diagnostic costs, most of our repair shops are on board with this. The diagnostic costs will be discounted from your total purchase. So once they diagnose the problem, they'll go ahead and discount that price on your total order. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and just click this random one right here. We're just gonna click View Shop. So again, it'll show you how far it is from you. Like, oh, okay, I know that's a Metro Plus here, and I'll let you know where the distance of this shop is from you, and their times on when they're open, their ratings, their number if you need to call them, as well as the address. Now, I know if you have Google or Yahoo, certain repair shops that you see will, if you call them, they're not available or they don't even exist anymore. With Fixxi, we make sure that we keep update with all our repair shops, and if they don't exist anymore, they happen to close, sadly, we'll take them off the platform so you wouldn't have to go through that issue. Again, you can choose hear what device, what issues of your devices, whether it needs to unlock, it won't charge, water damage, broken. You'll see the shop's specialty. Now, if you look over here, again, these are the services that they offer and more about the shop themselves. And if you scroll down a little further, you see the reviews on what customers think about it, whether they give them a 5-star or they give them a 4-star, 3, whatever the satisfaction of the customer is, you'll see it. Again, for the sake of example, you'll see this. Again, their rating, the services, how many reviews they had, the repair service, the cost effectiveness, whether their value of that cost, the location, and the customer support. Now, just for the sake of example, we're going to click broken screen and going to ask you to add to cart. Now, before I can add to cart, you would have to register first in order to assign the certain device that you're requesting to be repaired to you. Now, we're not going to go ahead and just let people just go through with it, only because we want to make sure that every customer is assigned to the device that they need repair. No one can pick it up or sign off for it unless this customer speaks to our glitch specialist and let them know, as this can be a secondary person. We want to make sure everybody's device is safe and that it returns right back to them. You can see more about how to sign up with it to go further through this request process in later videos. As of right now, we're just going to cut off here. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below or speak to one of our glitch specialists on our website. Download our app, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.